Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got another video here for you today. We're changing the clutch on this C3. All the fun and games.
Get it recorded so I can get it in.
Oh yeah, it's on there now, that.
That's alright.
I'll leave that in.
Yeah, go for it.
So there you go. We've got managed to get the old one out, and it's pretty obvious now why it was slipping. The friction plate's pretty much worn itself smooth. The tangs on the pressure plate were knackered. So we're going to get on now, get the nice new one fitted, get the car put back together. So we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, that's it all put back together now. New drop links have been fitted, new gearbox oil, new clutch. So the owner should be quite happy with it now for a while. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us any comments down below, and we'll see you all soon.